a lot more balance than my shadow cast. Wow. Let's see. Wow. What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. All right, today we're going to go over the Bonafide SS127. Okay, actually, if you don't know, I won this kayak. Throw that video up there, I guess. But anyways, since I have it, I figured I'd go ahead and do a little detailed review. I was on the water yesterday and doing a little test. So anyways, let's go over it now. All right, up here at the front, we have the handle. Obviously, that thing is amazing. Underneath, it has a rubber piece there, so you're not slipping. Wide, huge grip there. You go up to the top, you have a paddle keeper. That thing works great. And the hatch, it is removable from both sides, so that is great. You can actually remove the whole thing if you need to. The size on it at the front is 8 inches, where the narrow area is 8 inches, and at the back it is 13, and the length is 19.5. So just so you guys know, fitting batteries or whatnot. So and all your gear and everything else. So moving a little farther back, you have gear tracks. Up here at the front on the sides, you have 12 inches, and up a little further, you have 5 inch of gear tracks. So, and obviously you have the pedals. Those things are adjustable, really simple. Actually, you can actually touch them compared to my shadow caster, because that's what I originally had. You can actually touch them with the seat position where it is. The dry pod hatch, that thing is awesome. You could put all your stuff in there, and it's pretty dry. I don't know fully yet. I didn't have any water in there, but after my test, because I had batteries and stuff in there for my cameras. But you can lift it up out of the way, say when nature calls. Moving farther back to the seat, this thing can position in all different areas. It is, I mean, you can remove the whole thing. You can flip it down to where it's low profile. That way you can get better traction. So the seat is amazing. How high it is, I mean, it's just like sitting in a normal chair at a dining table, is what I'm trying to say. So it is pretty awesome. And speaking of that, you will not see a stand assist strap. It's you don't need it. I mean, I'll show you here. You can stand up. Wow. All right, I'm gonna fall back. Everybody has trouble on the fall back. Let's see. Whoop, get back a little farther. Wow. 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 And as you see, you do not need it. I fall back. Don't even fall back. Actually, you just slowly, bend down and sit down in the seat. So that's pretty freaking amazing. You have your paddle keepers over here on the sides. You can do your, they have on both sides, so you can do your paddle, obviously, or your stakeout pole. Underneath the seat, you have a drawer there that's for your worms or your lures or whatnot, and it's actually, the size of it is 14 by 16, and it's 3 inches tall, and it slides back and forth, obviously. So they have these pads here for when you stand on top of the gunnels, which that is pretty amazing. I did that as well, and you just lower the seat back, and that way you can put your legs on the side and just stand up. I mean, just like a paddle board, and I'm shaking it around and trying to make it fall, and I mean, I probably could have, but I didn't make it happen. But either way, moving back here, we have the gear tracks back here. You have 2 of them on each side, or excuse me, 1 on each side, 16 inches in length. Okay, your area for all your gear is actually, if you're going to put something in here that's, say, an ice chest, and it was square, okay, it would be 20 by 20 is the max, okay, and then it shortens up, and then at the length it would be 31 inches total. You also have a hatch back here to access anything that you need to add accessory wise. In the rear, they do have an area also where they for mounting a torpedo or power pole or whatnot. The handle on that thing is obviously out of the way. It's kind of bungeed where it slots back down. And of course, obviously it has a drain plug. But I mean, they thought of everything on this thing. It's pretty awesome. I mean, they got everything you think of. This stability on this thing is just insane. I'm telling you, insane. And little specs on the thing. It's obviously 12 foot 7 inches. It is actually 33 3/4 wide, and I want to say they say 15 and a half, and maybe that's with the seat down. But at this position, you're about 18 inches. I think it was almost 19. Actually, I just checked it. It was like 20 and a half. So either way, it's up high. When you sit on this thing, I mean, you're already up high, and you know, when you stand up, it's like, oh, you know, I mean, I could stand up in my Shadowcaster before, but the stability, I mean, I could move around a little bit, but I'd still be scared. This is totally the opposite. I mean, I don't even question if I'm going to flip. I mean, I was rocking around like, you know, it's nothing. So I did fall, however, so you see that.
All right, we're gonna stand on one side. Holy crap. Wow. Let's see about getting back in. All right, I'm gonna kick up and push it towards you at the same time. Wow. That was easy.
Anyways, guys, that's it for the review. Not much of a review. I mean, it's kind of showing you what they have, and I love it. I give it 10 out of 10. This thing is amazing. Once I get further along, it might change. I don't know. Once we rig this thing up, we'll see what we come up with. Either way, next week, I think I'll be doing a catch and cook. It won't be on a kayak, but probably be on a boat. That's the plans. So, crappie catch and cook. We'll see what happens. Please subscribe if you would. Hit that notification button so you'll be notified for new videos. And also hit the like button if you like this video. See you guys later. And by the way, stay hooked.